What is up, gang? It's your boy, Leo, your best man. It's just that they don't know as yet. Yeah, I'm representing Innovate Gang, as you already know. On the last video, I was covering the USD Swiss franc. I basically like getting straight to the point. I don't like beating around the bush, I don't want to make these videos long for no goddamn reason, Basically, the whole point of this is for you to get some knowledge and feed your soul, feed your brains. But before I actually proceed, I'd like to actually make a huge announcement that we as Innovate Trading has now actually signed a fucking deal with NAS. If you don't know about NAS, I'm going to be sharing the link in the description below. It's actually a forex broker. So basically, not only forex, you can also trade crypto. So they're actually one of the best right now in the game. We're no longer a part of Quick Trade, as basically we have actually terminated all our services with Quick Trade. We are now actually in partnership with NAS, and I would highly recommend that you also join NAS, as you're actually part of the gang. They have the best spreads ever. But the link will be down in the description, and if it's your first time here, please make sure that you actually press the subscribe button and make sure that you actually tell a friend to tell a friend that we're now about to actually have a session. This is more like a class back in high school, so yeah. Today I won't be actually doing much. We're looking at the NAS100. Remember, on the last video I did cover I covered actually the US Swiss franc. So upon my analysis, it was very bullish, and so far I think it is currently bullish, but I wouldn't spend my time going back there. You just have to go back to the video and look at the current charts right now. So with that being said, let me just dive straight into this shit, boy, as you already know how we're rolling. So over here, basically, we do have something called a third touch rule. The third touch rule. This is the third touch rule. Third touch rule. So from here, we did experience a little bit of, not even a little bit, but the breakouts and retest. Yeah, so if you know support and resistance, you should know more about breakouts and retest. This candle right here indicates a very powerful zone, which was basically previous supports turned into resistance. Boom. Let's see. So basically the market is now creating lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows and lower highs. So we had our downtrend, impulse. And yet again, we still had our third touch somewhere around here, which is actually broken. But yeah, so you already have an understanding how the market is moving. Basically, it's correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and impulse. Hey baba, kuyasetshenzwa la. Wena ulele. Like Marvin, boy. What's up, is? Ish. post. So basically, this is the base. This is the fucking reversal candle right here. Be wary of these. Obviously it failed here because it was at resistance. The reason why it failed here, because I'm sure some of you are asking yourselves right now, like, what the hell? What the hell? On this particular candle right here, basically this is a reversal candle. However, due to the fact that the zone that we were on is a support zone, so resistance. So resistance is basically like the selling, as you already know. So basically going down, and we finally reach our floor. So from the floor, we've heard a reversal. Not on first attempts, it was actually second attempts. As you can see, the buying pressure from here. There's been the buying pressure. So this is where liquidity lies. So you've heard that. Retest. Rally. You know. So basically, the market is now creating higher highs and lower highs. You know what I'm saying? So by just looking at the fucking market, you can already see what's going on. We're having an uptrend, baba. Uptrend. Uptrend. So basically this market right here is a very bullish market. However, currently what we're experiencing right now is a lot of bears. Like, yeah, it's quite a lot of bears actually, come to think of it. So now what we're going to look at further is what the price is doing currently, right? So we're going to place this right here, which is basically the main roof of the house. This is our current ceiling, the floor. Now going back to the previous data, as you can see that basically with the zone right here, it was actually broken, retested a couple of times. You know why? You wanna know everything, but yeah, with this right here, we've had a very strong momentum of bulls. It's a very, very beautiful zone, and then it was broken once again. So we've had our retest, and it's a retest to this very same zone right here, of which at this current moment we've just broken our previous level of resistance, this one right here. Now the most confusing part, or the most tricky part, is that now this candle actually closed below this zone right here. So now we have to actually break it down into smaller portions for us to see where exactly the price will move from here. But from my perspective, this is what I actually see, and I cannot unsee it. This is a daily. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we have actually reached our ceiling, which is this one right here, the ceiling. We have had our inverse head and shoulders, This is our head and shoulder pattern right here. Left shoulder, right shoulder, and then we had our massive drop. So from this point right now, I'm just expecting a retest. It's just a retest that we're expecting from here. And you might also look out for this candle. If not that one, then this one. But the only thing that we're anticipating here is sales. We're only catering for sales. As you can see, you've had this impulse right here. That this is definitely a breakout for sell. So basically, this is how the markets is looking currently. This is our current market. From here, we've been having this low, these lower lows and high lows. Sorry, lower highs. My bad. So we might actually experience a major retest, which might go all the way up here. Because from here, you can already see that this structure alone is our support structure, not resistance. Very beautiful market, and hope to see you again next week with another video. So moving forward, we'll definitely be uploading videos every week actually, until we expand the numbers on our YouTube channel. Then from there, basically, we can actually upload more videos daily. So one thing I'd like to also share with you guys, right, is some things that will definitely help you as a trader in the forex market. So what you're gonna need firstly is a journal. As a trader, you have to have a journal. That's where you keep track of everything. That's where you have your records and whatsoever. So in your trading journal, please make sure that you actually write down all the pairs that you look at, starting off with the one that we've just looked at today. So in order for you to start trading the NASDAQ, obviously a minimum of $50 with a broker like Exness, $50 is sufficient for trading stocks. So you're gonna actually take notes of all the pairs that you've actually looked at, whether it's stocks, NASDAQ, Bitcoin, whatever you're gonna be trading. And I'd like to actually recommend that whatever pairs that you want me to look at, please make sure that you mention them on the comments below. And we also now have our own free mentorship program, which is available on Telegram. I'll also be sharing the link in the description below. So I'm giving you all the ins and outs now. So writing all your pairs that you've analyzed and that you feel like you have confidence to trade for that week. Number two, we have to actually have a trading plan. Trading plan is simply knowing how much you want to make on a daily, how much you're willing to lose on a daily, how much you want to make weekly, monthly, and whatsoever. So you have to actually take it down from the bigger amount, break it down into smaller portions, from monthly to weekly, from weekly to daily. And then daily, you have to actually see how many trades you're going to be taking. The lot size as well, you have to calculate all that. What is your lot size? What is your risk appetite? Proper risk management is what we're all about, as you already know. So I hope to see you all doing good this year. No more blowing off accounts and whatsoever, because right now it's about to go down for real. So once you've had your trading plan and everything in line, you're gonna be all good to go. Another thing that you need to actually arrange is having a mentor. Having a mentor is very important. It's very, very important to have someone who's gonna actually mentor you. You know, not only in forex, but in forex you gotta stay disciplined. You know, so you gotta have somebody that's gonna guide you all the way until you get on your feet, and then you can start milking the market. So from your boy Leo 22, I hope to see y'all very, very soon, or you're gonna hear from me very soon. And basically, mentorship is available now. So if you feel like these videos are not beneficial to you enough, you feel like you need more knowledge, remember you can always hit me up. And all our details will be down below. So it's your boy. Don't forget to subscribe. That's about it from me.